A very good morning to all my dear children. I hope you had wonderful weekend and you have enjoyed your 2 days holidays. Isn't it, children? Children, today is Monday and let's start our day with a new energy. Okay, so today we will study English first. In today's class, children, we will read and recognize capital and small letters A to Z. Then we will revise phonetic sounds of the letters A to Z. Today I will introduce you the song of letter U. And also today we will revise phonic songs of letters A to T. Children, today I will teach you to write capital U in the English notebook, and in practice work we will write K in Hindi notebook. Children, in poems we will practice our rhymes in sequency and all things. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here, children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E, children. Look here. This is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of picture. Children, now we will learn and recognize small letters A to Z. Children, have a look. This is small a. Look here. Small a. This is small b. Small c. This is small d. Small e. Small f. Small g. Small h. Small I. Small j. After j comes k. This is small k. Small l. Small m. Small n. This is small o. Small p. Small q. Small r. This is small s. Now comes small t. Small u, small v, small w, small x, small y and small z. Children, now let's revise capital and small letters A to Z along with their songs and sounds. So let's start. Children, this is capital A and this is small a, and A says ants on my arms, ants on my arms, it's causing me alarm. A says a. This is capital B and this is small b. B says b. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. B says b. Now children, this is capital C, this is small c. We are clicking castanets, k. We are clicking castanets, k. So C says k. Children, this is capital D and this is small d. D says d. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with a da. So D says d. Capital E, small e. E says eh. The sound of E is eh. Now the song. Eggs in the pan, cracks the eggs like this. E says eh. Now comes F, capital F and small f. F says, my friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. So the sound of F is, children, capital G and small g. G says g. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G. G says g. Children, this is H, capital H and this is small h. It says hop. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. So H says hop. Children, now comes I. This is capital I and this is small I. I says E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is all over the desk. Inky is wet. So I says E. This is capital J and this is small j. J says J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. J says J. Children, this is capital K and this is small k. And the sound of K is K. But this K is kicking K. K for kite. Kites are flying in the sky. K. Kites are flying in the sky. K. So K says K. Now comes L. This is capital L and this is small l. L says L. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. L. We lick a lollipop. So L says L. Children, this is capital M. This is small m. M says The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. So M says Children, this is capital N and this is small n. N says Hear the aeroplane making lots of noise. So N says This is capital O. This is small o. O says O. Now it's dark, the light goes on. It's time for bed, the light goes off. So O says O. Children, this is capital P and this is small p. P says P. Puff out the candle on the pink cake. P. So P says P. Children, this is capital Q and this is small q. Q says Qu. The ducks in the pond says quack, 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 quack. So Q says Qu. Children, this is capital R and this is small r. R says R. So children, R says R. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. R says R. Children, this is capital S and this is small s. S says S. The snake is in the park. The snake is in the park. S, 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 s. The snake is in the park. S says S. Children, now comes T. This is capital T and this is small t. T says T. When I watch the tennis game, T. T. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. So this is the song of letter T. Children, now comes U. This is capital U and this is small u. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it rains so hard. So children, in this way you have to learn the song of letter U. Children, now comes V. This is capital V. This is small v. V says V. This is capital W, small w. W says V. Children, this is capital X and small x. X says X. Now comes Y, capital Y, small y. Y says Y. Now comes capital Z and small z. Z says Z. In this way, children, you have to learn songs and sounds of the letters A to Z the way I taught you. Children, today I will teach you to write capital U. Look here, children. This is capital U and U for umbrella. Children, there are many things which start with the letter U. Let's have a look. Look here, children. This is capital U. This is small u. U for uniform. U for urn, U for umbrella and U for utensils. Okay children, have you seen? Come on, let's say it one more time. U for umbrella, U for uniform, U for utensils and U for urn. So children, now I am going to teach you the song of letter U. Children, U for umbrella and the sound of U is A. So now let's learn the song of letter U. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Children, I taught you the song of letter U, so try to learn it. Now let's learn to write capital U. Children, I will write on the board first, which you have to watch carefully. Look here children, this is today's date. Today is 2nd of August 2021. August is the 8th month of the year. So now we will start writing capital U. Children, put your pencil on the red line. From here you have to make a standing line till the blue line and then you have to turn it a little bit and then again you have to go up. So we will write U in one go like this. From the red line we will go till the second blue line, then we will turn and then we will go up like this. In this way you have to write capital U. See, start from the red line, touch the second blue line, then turn it and then you have to go again and you have to touch the red line. In this way you have to write capital U. See children, like this, then you have to turn it and then you have to go up and touch the red line. Like this. Children, now I will teach you to write capital U in the notebook. Children, now let's write capital U in the notebook. Children, see, this is capital U, U for umbrella, which protects us from rain, isn't it? So, U for umbrella. First, we will write today's date. Children, today is 2nd August 2.8.21. August is 8th month of the year. Okay. So, children, now see how you will write capital U. Put your pencil on the red line here and then from here you have to make a standing line like this. Then you have to again make a small loop and then you have to go up till the red line. In this way, in one go you have to write capital U. Look here. First, you have to come from red line to the second blue line. You have to make a standing line, then move it. Now look here, children. Again, I'm going to write. Look here. Put your pencil on the red line. Make a standing line till the second blue line. Then, children, you have to make a little loop, and then you have to go up like this, and then you have to touch the red line. In this way, you have to write capital U. So you have to come down and then you have to go up again. See, like this. So make a standing line, turn it a little bit like this and then go up again. In this way, you have to write capital U. See, like this. See, one line is finished. Now we are on second line. Children, now see, in this way you have to write capital U in one go. Okay. So make a standing line till the second blue line. Then you have to turn it a little bit. Then go up again like this. And see, in this way, children, you have to write one page of capital U along with today's date. So write it, take its picture and send it to me. Children, in practice work, we will write kh se khargosh in Hindi notebook. So first we will write today's date. Today is 2nd August 2021 like this. And now we will write ख. तो ख लिखने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, हमें यहाँ पे पेंसिल रखनी है और एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनानी है ऐसे. फिर इस लाइन से पहले एक उल्टा ख बनाना है और उसकी लंबी पूंछ बनानी है और उसको फिर इस लाइन से मिला देनी है. और इस लाइन पे हमको एक छोटा सा सेमी सर्कल बनाना है और फिर छत लगानी है बच्चों. इस तरह से देखो, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, सेमी सर्कल या उल्टा सी, उसकी लंबी पूंछ और फिर इसको इससे मिलाया और फिर एक गोला बना दिया लाइक दिस. ऐसे यूं लिखना है. अब देखो आपको कैसा नहीं लिखना है, यूं करके यूं और नहीं करना, ये रॉन्ग है. यहाँ पे इतना मोटा गोला नहीं आना चाहिए. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, उल्टा सी, इसको ऐसे करके मिलाया और फिर सेमी सर्कल बना दिया ऐसे. यूं देखो, ध्यान से देखो, ये देखो स्टैंडिंग लाइन, उल्टा सी, लंबी पूंछ उसकी, फिर उसको इस लाइन से मिलाया और अंदर एक छोटा सा लाइन पे सेमी सर्कल बनाया ऐसे. ऐसे करके लिखेंगे तो ख लिखना काफी इजी हो जाएगा. और हमको इस लाइन को इस नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन से मिलाना है बच्चों. ठीक है, देखो ऐसे यूं करके फिर हम इस लाइन से मिला देंगे. ऐसे हमने वन लाइन फिनिश की. अब हम सेकेंड लाइन पे आ गए हैं. यूं तो बच्चों इस तरह से आपको ख लिखना है. पहले स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, उल्टा सी, उसकी लंबी पूंछ और फिर ऐसे उसमें एक छोटा सा सेमी सर्कल बनाया. तो ऐसे आपको ख लिखना है. ध्यान से देखो आप. इस तरह से बच्चों हिंदी की नोटबुक में एज अ प्रैक्टिस वर्क आपको ख लिखना है 1 पेज. बच्चों देखो आप, ये थोड़ा सा गलत है तो हम इसको इरेजर से मिटा देंगे. वी विल इरेज इट एंड वी विल राइट इट अगेन. ओके, तो स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, उल्टा सी बनाया, ऐसे करके यहाँ पे मिलाया और फिर ऐसे कर दिया यूं. ठीक है, अब देखो स्टैंडिंग लाइन, उल्टा सी, लंबी पूंछ, स्टैंडिंग लाइन से मिलाया और देखो ऐसे सेमी सर्कल ऊंचा बनाना है इससे. और देखो इस तरह से हमने ये वर्क फिनिश किया. 1 पेज ख लिखेंगे और इसकी पिक्चर मुझे भेजेंगे. Children, now it's time to practice our rhyme Incy Wincy. So let's start and you also recite it with me. Good morning. The title of my poem is Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So, Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. Children, in this way you have to recite the rhyme Incy Wincy. And today we will revise our first rhyme of the book, which is All Things. Let's do it. Good morning. The title of my poem is All Things. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful. The good Lord made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. Thank you. In this way, children, you have to recite these two rhymes. So, recite it, make your video on it and send it to me. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.